Hi there, Sandy here from Creating Spain, and today I'm doing a pretty simple card design, but it's effective. It's not going to take you forever to make it, and it'll help you use up some scraps probably, and it's going to be pretty. So the file that I'm going to give you is the file for this. Now I don't know if it shows up very well on camera, but we have some nice silver lines here on the butterfly. And we have a fabulous day. Now this has all been done on my Caesar Juliet with a pen tool, and I use my printed pen tool adapters in order to put whatever pen I want in. And the one I used today was this one here, MP Metal Pen 0.7. It's a really nice pretty silver pen, and it will fit in my holder as long as I use this, which is just a piece of 3D printed plastic to take up some of the room in the clamp. It doesn't go in my normal pen adapters, it's a bit too chunky for that, but with this I can use it really nicely. And all I do is I put a lollipop stick underneath it, push the pen down into there till it reaches the lollipop stick and tighten it up really well, and then I can use it for drawing. As you notice, I've got it so the butterfly cut is incomplete, so we can have the wings standing up. Now at the moment it's got a white back, which doesn't look great, and so I have cut another piece of card, and what I'm going to do is put this down and then to line this up, and I can stick that down with some glue. So then put that one down there, press that one down and do the other side. There we are. So we have pink on the back of them as well as on the front. That just makes it look a bit better. And the other thing I'm going to do is take a piece of this and pop it behind there. Now this is an optional step. You could put it on the card front without it, like so. Makes it very obvious that it's cut out. But I think I quite fancy the idea of having that there, and then you get the extra colour behind it. It's amazing what just outlining on the edge of a card can do, and it means that you don't need to put another mat in place, which means you use less card. I will probably have a go at going around that line there. Here's the finished card. I've added a few little gems just because I can. I've got plenty of them. And that's it. So it doesn't take very long to do. Really nice and simple, but have a fabulous day. It covers a multitude of occasions, so that's quite useful. And the font is a single line font. So I have another card design for you, and I'll give you the SVG, and it is this one. Now this is more traditionally made with the different layers. So we have a card border layer here, we have a background cutout. You can use whatever colour card or glitter card or whatever that you want to do. And the little centre of the flower here is simply half of a little polystyrene bead. I've got a bag of multicolour ones, cut it in half, stuck it in. And this is again from the embroidery backing stuff. As I said, it's really useful. It makes great flowers. If you want to make bigger paper flowers and things, it's wonderful for that, because you can airbrush it, you can paint it, you can ink it, you can glue it, you can glitter it, you can do whatever you like with it, and you're not going to make it disintegrate. It's also nice and delicate, and you can fold it, you can crush it, you can crease it, and it'll be fine. So that's what I've done for that one, so I will give you the file for that as well. But I think those are two very nice cards for your spring summer collection. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Don't forget, I do have a Facebook group, Creating Spain, as well as the Caesar Juliet Beginners to Pro one.